Happy greetings and warm welcome to all of you to this observation of Gandhi and Shastri Jayanti in our school premises. Friends, your Savior is not someone who saves you from death. It is He who teaches you to taste death but once. It is He who makes you question things that have been idealized by everyone, but a common man who manages to revolutionize your life and the entire world. Today is 2nd of October, the day that witnessed the birth of two such angelic liberators of hundreds and millions of beleaguered Indian souls in the year 1869 and 1904 respectively. These two souls are Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri. Today, the whole nation, great immortal souls, and rallying round the national grandeur, may I request Reverend Principal Sir and respected supervisors to please offer their floral tribute to these scintillating stars in the galaxy of mankind. Ideologies and philosophy revolutionized the entire mankind. The thought that I pronounced in the beginning of my inaugural introductory words logically applies to these two great souls, who will always be
रघुपति राघव राजा पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम। मंगल परसन राजा पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा पतित पावन सीताराम। हे तुम्हें सारा दुनिया को अहिंसा दे देला बांधी। शास्त्री हे तुम्हें सब मानव शांति रे देइछ छंदी
शास्त्री हे तुम्हें सब मानव शांति रे छंदी
किए केउँ आड़े बही जाइअछ किए केउँ आड़े बही जाइअछ हेले तुमे तो गोटिए नदी
तुम्हें तो गोटिए नदी
गांधी हे
शास्त्री हे
गांधी हे
शास्त्री हे
Many social evils. Gandhiji's special contribution led towards the environmental sustainability. This means he meant that every person should consume as much as he needs. And this model of sustainability is certainly very much relevant in our current India, where there is a very huge population and scarcity of food. His efforts also led to the promotion of renewable energy and small-scale irrigation systems. It was him who led campaigns against the rise of industries and use of khadi. He was relentless in his philosophy of ahimsa and non-violence. He was remarkably a notable public figure, a political icon ever we had, who believed in simple living and high thinking. And for this reason we revere him as father of our nation. Secularism was yet another contribution of Gandhiji, who said not a single religion should have the power, should not be monopoly on truth. And I bow down my head before such great soul, before such great personality, and his work, his name will certainly remain immortal for generations. So, in this great day, where I would expect some of the Gandhian principles to be imbibed in us, and with such a positive thought, I wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you, Ma'am.
Friends, Mahatma Gandhi and Shastri not only shared the same date of birth, there were incredible similarities in their thoughts, in their ideologies, and in their philosophy. So to plow upon and to dwell upon this great personality of Lal Bahadur Shastri, may I invite Madam Sulochana Rao to please come over.
आवश्यकता पड़ी तो कभी महावीर तो कभी बुद्ध ने जन्म लेकर अहिंसा का वार्ता देकर मनुष्यता को कृतज्ञ किया है, तो कभी कृष्ण जी के बांसुर के सुरों ने शांति स्थापना की है। 2 अक्टूबर 1904 को उत्तर प्रदेश के मुगल सराय में ऐलान का ऐलान किया था। बंधुगण, महिला के अपने जीवन में महिलाओं के सम्मान करते हुए, शक्ति को स्वीकार करते हुए, उन्होंने परिवहन मंत्री के तौर पर पहली बार महिला कंडक्टर की नियुक्ति को स्थान दिया था। इसके साथ मानवीय क्रूरता से भीड़ों को नियंत्रित करने वाले लाठी के प्रयोग के स्थान पर उन्होंने पानी का बचाव का पहला ऐलान किया था। इसी से उनकी मानवीय संवेदना का प्रारंभ होता है, परिचय भी देता है।
Two great sons of Mother India. One is the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, and the other, the second Prime Minister, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Thanks to Jitna sir for his Odia anchoring at the last stage. It was good. So I asked him whether he had a Odia subject or not. I was asking him. And both the teachers, those have dwell upon the life and ideology of two personalities whose birthday we are celebrating today. Thanks to them for their presentation and the collection. So today is the 2nd October 2020, is the 151st birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. As you know, last year we have celebrated 150th year. Whole year the nation decides to celebrate the birthday whole year. So that is going to be completed and we are celebrating 150th birthday. Regarding Gandhiji, as we all know, he was a child, was very shy, a God-fearing attitude, but as his father was a Diwan or called the Chief Minister of that is Porbandar. So he was sent for higher education to England. And after completing his education in degree in barrister, he returned at the age of 22. And he returned at the age of 22 to carry out his professional job in India. Unfortunately, when he returned, he found his mother was no more. And at the same time, working for some time, he observed he is not getting enough opportunity in India at that time to carry out this profession. Because if not more good cases will be there, then obviously the requirement of the today's advocates from an Indian company who has opened his company in South Africa, he was hired to South Africa and his life started there. During his working in South Africa, he has faced lot of incidents which are touched his heart, which are changed his approach toward the society. As you know, racism was at the top at that time. He faced many situations, whether staying in the hotel or going in the so-called train. That has touched their heart, his heart. So, from that day, he decided to work for the humanity and he started his social work then and there in South Africa itself. That's why till today, South Africa remembers Gandhiji as one of the tallest leaders of that country. He returned to India. Of course, whenever he was in South Africa, he had got the learning how to deal with the society, how to deal with the people, how to deal with the governments. So he returned to India, he observed India was divided in thousands of thousand parts. To talk about the religion, to talk about the society, no uniformity of the was there in any issue. So he moved to India, he observed that uniting the people of India is his priority. Unfortunately, till that time, the divided India didn't get any light of any leader. So whenever he moved to the all over the India, Indian people had a fresh life in themselves that yes, we have a leader. And then what happens, it is very clear, it's well known to all of us, and that the reason for which till today we are calling me as the father of the nation. Not only India, because of peace, non-violence, anti-racism, the world remembers today, 2nd October, as the day of non-violence internationally. And about Shastriji, it is rightly pointed out, he was very humble, very sober, but very determined in heart. That's why whether you talk about the 1965 war or take up the political decisions like white revolution, the Amul whenever started at that time, or you talk about the green revolution, during that short period even, he is the person who has carried on this. And he is the only Indian Prime Minister, so honest, so humble, perhaps India has given back till date. So on today, by celebrating the birthday of these two great sons of Mother India, we are the citizens should recall their philosophy and ideology, and as much as possible, if we follow to keep our society and our nation united, then the celebration of this day will have importance.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ganjati Khandwal. I am in class 2, section B. Honorable Principal Sir, respected supervisors, teachers, dear parents and my dear brothers and sisters. Now I am going to tell about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat state. Mahatma Gandhi is also called Bapu. His mother tongue was Gujarati. He studied law at the University of London. His life was very simple. It did not believe in violence and caste discrimination. He helped India to get independence from British rule. Gandhiji is also known as the father of nation. Gandhiji gave famous slogans like "Do or Die" and "British leave India." Even today, people remember Mahatma Gandhi for his great and incredible work. He became a barrister and went to South Africa. He loved truth and ahimsa. India will never forget such a great leader. Thank you.
One of my favorite quote of Gandhiji is, "The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others."
Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, a famous slogan told by Shastriji. I reached the Pandey of Standard 1A, telling a few lines on India's second Prime Minister, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 2nd October 1904 at Mughalsarai, Uttar Pradesh. He was the second child of Sarala Prasad Srivastava and Vangulari Devi. The title Shastri was given after the completion of his graduation at Kashi Vidyapith. He joined Indian independence movement in 1921. He worked against caste system and even dropped his surname. He was dead on 11 January 1966 at Tashkent. He was the first person to be posthumously awarded India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, in 1966. A memorial Vijay Ghat was dedicated him in New Delhi. Lal Bahadur Shastri was truly a great man who gave less importance to himself. Thank you.
One of my favorite quote of Shastriji, "The preservation of freedom is not the task of soldiers alone. The whole nation has to be strong."
सुनो सुनो ऐ दुनिया वालों, बापू की ये अमर कहानी। वो बापू जो पूज है इतना जितना गंगा माँ का पानी। सुनो सुनो ऐ दुनिया वालों, बापू की ये अमर कहानी। पोरबंदर गुजरात देश में एक ऋषि ने जन्म लिया। माता पिता ने मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी नाम दिया। बचपन खेल कूद में गुजरा, लंदन जाकर विद्या पाई। बैरिस्टर बन अफ्रीका में जाकर अपनी धाक जमाई।
Silence is the best answer to anger.
महात्मा गांधी जी कहते थे, जो समय की बचत करते हैं वो धन के बचत करते हैं। कमाया हुआ धन बचाया हुआ धन के बराबर है।
Discipline and united action are the real source of strength for the nation.
Gandhiji said, non-violence is a weapon of the strong. जय हिंद। अपनी देश की आजादी की रक्षा करना केवल सैनिकों का काम नहीं, बल्कि ये पूरे देश की कर्तव्य है। परमता कीजिए। जय जवान, जय किसान। शास्त्री जी कहते थे, हम सिर्फ अपने लिए ही नहीं बल्कि समस्त विश्व के लिए शांति और शांतिपूर्ण विकास में विश्वास रखते हैं।
The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong.
हम सब ने ये ठानना है,
भारत को स्वच्छ बनाना है।